Hi guys! So parang apartment type tong binok namin ni Joy for our Croatia. That's the bed.
A gluttony friend ko later! Filipino food!
And we're gonna eat Filipino food for the next 3 days. No to Croatia. Nagkakaramandan to Met lang. I'll show you around. This is the kitchen. Actually, it's complete. We have refrigerator, we have kitchen utensils, we have microwave, plates, a cabinet. That's it. What else? And this is the toilet. Not bad at all. And there she is, checking where's the Primark here, because she's gonna do shopping again for the 6th time. And then I'm going to Lidl for groceries, no?
Yeah.
That's all.
Yan sa Vip. What you got? What you got?
Beef. Naka-sale the beef. So, steak. Imas.
Naalam?
1 kilo nga pork belly. So, diyak mo na i-half kung adobo, tas half na tay ada lemon na ken soy.
Salt, wait.
Imas.
Nag-iwas.
What else? Your picture, baby. Your
Thank
request.
you.
Our picture.
Okay lang. Kanak met, beb.
Shit, dito tayo diyak mo na. Ito kalakaan yung beb.
Ano deta? When deta yun, beb? Ore, ana.
Awal na taangot ng beb.
Wah. At least nalabaan.
We have Coke.
Perfect.
Bagong dati, beb.
Wah.
Okay,
And then add that.
Ada among papa na.
Wait, amo ko, beb. Shit. How much, beb? Yay, the hotdog.
Awan noodles so for breakfast dito.
Wah.
And egg ta, beb.
Wah, wah.
Mga kaman, beb. Kaadwa.
At least ada paglaban.
For the adobo. For the love. Eh.
Very housewife material yarn.
While me, coffee.
Dito mamesa nga ipa-brack na yan, beb.
Ano na?
Pero war mo na dito. Ada ado ba sus? Oh.
Ay, shit!
Nanggatangan, beb.
Kas lang, beb, National Bookstore na toy stationery.
How much?
64 euro!
Not bad, beb. Hello, Ryanair for
Correct,
the...
alam danto na tayo to yan. Yo.
Uy,
Pang next travel.
Okay siya.
Okay, di ba? Sturdy
Ito.
naman siya.
Anyways, I'm almost done. The rice is done. Adobo, I don't know. Ngayon nag-elect the steak. Kasi awan na laka nga asin nga napinok and deti
Ay,
pepper.
nagbubukil ba dito, bebe?
Para na imasulatan.
Correct.
And then yung boiled egg namin. Sige ba natin vlog na?
Wah. Makapiright ka.
Don't judge my asin and my paminta.
Pagkinapan.
Ala.
Ala, kaslamat lang, anan.
Ano ba dinaimas din?
Kaslamat na crystal method, beb. Apo, nagimasun. Agmumu pela. Mumu ko na na pelang, beb.
Mas. Ba?
Anak pa kita grera aton, beb.
Diyan sa mag-build, masasakang ba?
Kasi dati, mano tagkagkaduan? Na-immune ako.
Oo, makapagod din.
Makapahigit din. High school data?
I'm sorry, man, but I just want to let you know I'm not a science dork. I'm more of a science nerd.
Whatever, geek.
I'm such a nerd. I looked at my dad's computer and told him he had to delete all the cookies, and he threw all the Oreos in the.
Morning, beb ko. Matamamanlat at kape mo.
Morning, Beb. Thank you for my coffee. Tsaka ba tayo
No problem. So, siya man nagluton po. Scrambled egg, sausage, tapos dapat tidami nga adobong yung damdamadetan mauma kami. Then the rice.
Rice is life.
Papanan ka lang naman, beb. City lang. Sa paano na rice?
Kaya tayo dyan tip na kasa.
Bara.
Nagtutudo man na. Kumain ka na asin na dito yung sausage. Asin pa rin. Sabi pagbat? Bara ka rin. Nakapapirdi. Doon ka mag-vlog. Okay? Vlog ba? Ha? Vlog. Sino ka vlog?
Wala ka.
Makabagsuro makapag.
Alex. Type mo na Alex or ni Tony.
Mas kahit na Alex, mas parang. Yung nanitaw ni Kat, very mature isa mo.
Nagyatan pa vlog na mama kayong papa na.
Wah, unlike mo.
Parang kulugo ako.
Maintenance. Baka nabulok ano. Baka